irritations at all. This condensed glue gel, which is also come in the Trifecta, is one of really a best thing to do for the crystal placement investment. Just one of those. Get a full size for yours. You get a whole entire of the concept to do in crystal placement. You and the clients can be sit back and ensure that your crystals stay on. It's like not go anywhere but there. It's one of the best thing that I really happy with the crystal placement for past so many years. I love crystal placement and all charms and chains, and I have a hard time to doing it, keep them like stay on, even though if I'm using a good quality flexible resins, like even a lot of different concept, it just keep popping up on me. But with this, it stay on. So let's do this flowers, and I want this amethyst on it. So I haven't have that cute flowers. Maybe let me see. Oh, one of this I really want. I really want this one and see how it's that turn out for us. It's kind of a big one, but look at that. Is that super cute? Even just want to do one or two of those. All right. So it doesn't matter. You can do. Oh, that one is so cute. It's just my preference, but I know a lot of you have such great ideas of create so many different beautiful set. And thanks so much for sharing with us. If you haven't seen like or any of or if you tag us, or if you post and you didn't get to see us, like seeing your pictures online, it's just probably because we couldn't see yours. So if you do, make sure you tag a Glitz accessory and such, so you can able to view your pictures. And we don't look at it, we looking at what support. Doesn't matter how your account is, you're beginners or you are expert, doesn't matter. We love all your beautiful works. We are like all for the nail tech and support all the nail tech. So if you are tag us, that is a great chance to be featured on our social media. We love to support all of you. If you haven't seen yours work in there, well, probably because we didn't see it. So just make sure you tag us, and so then we can see your beautiful work. Oh, that is so cute. I love the little beads, and this is so fun to play with the bigger beads. Oh, I'm gonna add more. Sorry, it's just like so cute. You'll never go wrong with this. Look at that. I have pearl, I have beads, and I have flowers. That's all I want. All right, so before I'm curing this guy, well, you know what is fun about this? You can absolutely frame this one too. Look, I'm framing this. Hold on. I am in the center of Facebook and Instagram?
Yeah, you good.
Okay, thank you. Sorry if I don't see ya. All right. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna do this quick. Squeeze my precision glue right there. And I am going to add one of the beads in the center. You can do any colors you prefer. I'm just so obsessed with this. Especially it's come on $5. Nail art at 20% off. Can't beat that. All right, here you go, love. Let's cure this, guys, for as 60 seconds. You know what's cool about this? It looks